Good evening, team. So today we are again here with HDFC Life, and HDFC Life is launching today their new term plan product called Click to Protect Life. So Click to Protect 3D and Click to Protect Plus is discontinued now. So, Subrata, you want to add something? So you can give a keynote.
Yeah, Trupti. Thank you so much. Thanks, Piyush. Really privileged to be part of this particular meet, and I'm really thankful to the whole team because for the last 1.5 years, the kind of association that we have been able to have with Prabhudas Liladhar has been phenomenal, and the way the last year has been in terms of business scale up, uh, and we don't have such partners who have been able to do the kind of business that Prabhudas Viladhar has been able to do with us in the very first year of association. Now, what has happened is that we have been able to get in this kind of products, which is Sanchay Plus, Click to Protect range of products, which have been market leaders, and you all have supported us in scaling the volumes up on those products. Now, as they say that the product runs its life cycle, and then we have to just make sure that it makes way for a new set of products. So we are now today launching something called as a Click to Protect series on the term side itself, and it is called as HDFC Life Click to Protect Life. And this is going to be replacing both the products, which is C2B 3D and C2B Plus. Now, what I want to tell you is that in the last 10 months, change because of the pandemic, and all of you must be aware, and all of you must have read lot of articles that the reinsurance prices have gone up, the mortality experiences have been worse off, and there is a definite reason for that. The pandemic has really taken a toll on the way the life insurance business has worked in terms of the mortality numbers. So when we went back to the regulator with a new product. So what I'm saying is that the reinsurance prices has gone up, and we were prepared to go to the regulator saying that we will have to increase prices across board. However, the regulator does not want across board increase in prices. So we have to rework on the pricing strategy, and I'm very uh, happy to tell you that on most of the cohorts and the cohorts where the sales have been maximum, we have been able to reduce the prices of the new product vis-a-vis the previous one. So you will see that the limited pay and return of premium options have actually become cheaper, and the cases where the age of the customer is above 40 years, there also the premiums have become cheaper as compared to the uh, previous product, which is CPP. And this is primarily the customer base that PL has, which is a mature customer, which is a more sensible customer. And there you will find this particular product very competitive vis-a-vis any of the other players who are there in the market. So with this, I urge you to just pay some attention for the next half an hour to this product, and I'm very sure by the time this particular presentation ends, you will all be very inclined to go ahead and talk about this product to your customers, because of the fact that not only we are adding new features, but this particular product has been styled in a way that the customer can actually gain the benefit of a reduced GST also on a term product by just tweaking the options. So it's a very interesting way of the way the product has been designed. So please go through this product and then give us the feedback also.
Vaibhav,
Yes,
you can Vaibhav, you can introduce your trainer, Sunny.
Yeah. So hi, good afternoon, team. So today, since we are launching a new product, Sunny has been an integral part of the learning and development team at HDFC Life, and she would be taking you through the new term product. Over to you, Sunny.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. And yes, so talking about the product which we are going to cover, yes, term plan. So as already mentioned, the two term plans which we were actually offering to the customer, those are not now discontinued. And today is the launch of this new product in when it comes to term plan, that is Click to Protect Life. Yeah, so talking about Click to Protect Life, so now let's understand what is the different features we are offering in this product comparative to other two products which we had earlier. So click to protect life. So one thing is the basic essence when we talk about term plan, that is still there, which is we have one option which will provide, which is vanilla product. It will provide life cover, like, it will provide financial protection to the customer, and it will cover death. So when I say death, so death irrespective of any reason, let's say natural death, disease, or accidental death, that will be covered. So that option is also there. So I will talk each and every option in detail, but yes, right now I'm talking about the feature which this plan will have. Now, other feature which this plan is offering, which is very different from the other plans which were there. The other option is we have auto adjusting sum assured between critical illness and life cover. So what this option will do, however, this option is not active right now. It is under discussion, but still we will understand overall what this feature will be. So this feature will be around during the stage of age, stage of customer. So what company is thinking that the dependency of the family will decrease, and then there is risk of having different medical or illness which can be there. So what company is saying, throughout the policy term, we will increase the critical illness sum assured and decrease the same value from the life cover, which we will understand in detail. So this is again very unique feature which we are offering, and you will not see any competitor offering this option. Just there is one more competitor we have, which they are offering this option. Other than that, one unique feature which this plan will offer, that is income plus option. So when we are talking about income plus option, how would this option work? So this option will provide regular income once customer will reach out to their retirement age. So once customer will be 60, then customer will receive the payouts, and those will be like as in pension only, but the main part of it will be totally tax free, so there won't be any tax on that. So that is another feature which this plan will have. Now, other than that, we have some add-on options. The way we used to have riders, the same way we have some add-on options which we can add to any three of these options. So the options, again, we will cover in detail. So those options will be, let's say, one can be additional accidental death benefit. Other can be if somebody is looking for whole life option, that is also available. If somebody is looking for return of premium option, that is also available. So these are the some add-on options which we have been provided to the customer. If they are looking for those options, they can attach it to the basic option. Now, keeping this in mind, other thing which we are offering in this plan, that is flexibility. So when it comes to flexibility, the best part which this plan will offer, that is customer can reduce the PPT ongoing policy in between. If customer is looking for reducing the policy PPT from regular to limited, we are giving that option to the customer, and that is again totally free of cost. No fee, no charge will be attached to that. And talking about flexibility part, when it comes to changing the premium payment frequency. So let's say if customer is paying annually, now customer wants to change from annual to monthly, quarterly. Earlier, how it is happening, he had this option, but he can do that only on the policy anniversary. But now what we are saying, he can avail this option anytime during the policy term. And again, no fee and no charges attached to that. So this is the flexibility part which we are offering with this term plan. So yeah, so this is what is different from the plans which we were having earlier, and now the plan which we are launching today. Okay. So I will take the question doubts at end of the session. Let's understand it, and then you can park your questions, and then we will discuss it once I complete the discussion around it. So talking about plan options. So earlier, if we remember or if we know, if we talk about C2 3D plus, that plan had 9 options. Talking about C2B plus, it was with 4 options. So talking about this plan, this is in more simpler way. So we have 3 options. So first option, if we talk about, that is Life Protect, which is very basic option, the same way which we used to have in C2B plus life option. Like it will give the life cover to the customer, and if there is any mishappening or death happens during policy term, nominee will receive the basic sum assured and policy will terminate. So this is the Life Protect option. Second option, life and critical illness rebalance. So as I highlighted earlier, so this is not active yet. This is still in discussion. But yes, this option will give the opportunity to customer to balance between life cover and critical illness sum assured. And talking about third option, income plus option. So income plus option, this is the option which customer can avail to take out payout once they attain the age of 60, retirement age, and with that they can enjoy the life cover also. So they can actually get the benefit of 2 types of policies in one. So retirement plus term. So this is what we are offering in income plus. Now let's understand in detail the plan working of each of this option. So let's start with life and critical illness rebalance. So as I explained, life and critical illness rebalance, the approach which we are giving, that is, in initial year, customer will have more responsibilities. So we are giving him the percentage of life cover in a higher side, and the critical illness will be on lesser side. But as the policy will continue, the critical illness sum assured will increase, and at the same proportionate, life cover sum assured will decrease. Now let me explain how would it work. So at inception, the proportionate or the ratio which we are keeping for basic sum assured between life cover and critical illness, that will be 80-20. So let's understand with the example. Let's say total basic sum assured is 1 CR. So if customer is taking life and critical illness rebalance, so the proportionate which he will be getting in inception, that would be 80 lakh of life cover and 20 lakh of critical illness sum assured. And if we see this example, we are taking policy term as 20 years. And if customer is of 40 years and he is paying premium regularly, so what we are saying, how would we calculate critical illness, the portion of increasing critical illness cover? For that, we have formula which we will use, which is 30% of basic sum assured divided by policy term. So if I take this example, so basic sum assured is 1 CR. So if I'm trying to calculate how much increase will be there on critical illness cover, so how would I do it? I will calculate 30% of 1 CR, which is 30 lakh. And then I will divide it with the policy term, which is 20 years in this example. So it means if you divide 30 lakhs with 20 years, it will be 1,50,000. So what does it mean? Every year, critical illness cover, which is 20 lakhs, it will increase every year from 1,50,000. And the same amount will decrease from 80 lakhs. So that is how it will work. So if customer, let's say after 10 years, customer is diagnosed with any critical illness which is listed in this option, and then customer will get the critical illness sum assured as a lump sum, and the rest of the amount will be as a life cover, and it will continue till the policy term. In later stage, if the customer is dying due to accidental or any natural death, then the rest of the sum assured will be given to customer, nominee, and policy will terminate. Now the coverage which we are giving, that is also increased if I compare with the C2P 3D plus. So earlier we were covering 34 critical illness. Now talking about this option, we are covering 36 critical illness. And other than that, giving sum assured, other than that, what we are offering, the rest of the premium, pending premium, that will be waived off. So customer will get two benefit. One is he'll be getting sum assured which he can utilize for treatment. The other benefit which customer will get, that is he's not supposed to pay any more premium to the company. So that is how this option will work. Now talking about premium paying term. So earlier there was some restriction which we were offering with, but now all the premium paying terms options are available. So talking from regular premium to single premium and limited premium payment term is also available. So customer can avail as per their choices, as per their requirement. So just to reiterate, this option is not active right now, but this is for our understanding. In later stage, if it gets active, so we should have good understanding how this option will work and what is the benefit which customer will get out of it. Now let's talk about the plan working of Life Protect, which is quite simple because this will give the this is kind of vanilla option which we can say. And if we understand with the example, so same example we are taking sum assured 1 CR policy term, because this is Life Protect option. So some policy term we are taking, let's say customer has taken covered till age of 85 years. So customer age is 40 years and we are just taking example. Customer is paying premium regularly. So during the policy term till the from 40 to 85 age of customer, if customer dies in between during policy term, nominee will get the basic sum assured which is 1 CR and policy will terminate. Now talking about options. So in Life Protect, we have a fixed variant option and we have whole life option also. So customer can go for whole life also, and customer can go for the cover till age of 85 years. So talking about PPT, so in fixed term, we have PPT available for from regular to limited. So regular PPT is also available, single PPT is available. Talking about limited PPT, so that is also available. Now, this is for fixed variant. Now let's understand whole life. What all option do we have when it comes to paying the premium? So in whole life, there is only one option which we are giving to the customer, that is limited PPT. And in limited PPT, customer will be given three choices. So customer can pay premium for 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years. Again, according to customer comfort. So this is the Life Protect option. Yes, now let's talk about Income Plus, which is very unique option which we are offering to the customer. So this option will give the retirement payout to the customer, and with that life cover also. So how would this work? Let's understand with the example. So let's take example of basic sum assured if customer is going for 1 CR, and policy term which we are considering here, that is whole life, and PPT premium paying term is of 10 years. Let's say customer age is 50 years when customer has taken this policy, and customer is paying premium for 10 years. So now once customer will complete his age of 60, what we are saying, customer will start receiving monthly payout out of the basic sum assured only, which is 1 CR. Now, how would we calculate the monthly income, monthly payout? That will be 0.1% of basic sum assured. So which is, if you will calculate 0.1% of 1 CR, it will come to 10,000. So it means customer will start receiving monthly income as a 10,000. And because this is whole life option, so he will keep receiving this income. In case in later stage, let's say after 20 years, customer dies due to any reason, then what we are saying, customer will receive the rest of the sum assured. Nominee will receive the rest of the sum assured, excluding the payouts which we have given to the customer. So let's say 1 CR. In this example, customer has already received income for 20 years, 10,000 monthly. So if we calculated 10,000 monthly, so yearly he must be getting 1,20,000, and in 20 years he will be receiving 24 lakhs. So if he dies after 20 years, so you will, what we will do, so we will exclude this amount out of his basic sum assured, which is 1 CR. So 1 CR minus 24 lakhs, it would be 76 lakhs. So that will be given to the nominee and policy will terminate. Now talking
Sunny,
about, yes.
Sunny, in chat there is one request to explain this point once again, because some of the participants have not understood.
Sure. So let me explain it again. So income plus option, what we are saying. So once customer will attain his retirement age, he will attain 60. So what will happen? He will start receiving monthly income out of his basic sum assured, which will be 0.1% of the basic sum assured. He will start receiving monthly, and because and again depending on the option which he selected, let's say if it is whole life, he will keep receiving until if there is death due to any reason during the policy term. So what we are saying, he will start receiving the payout, and if it dies in between the policy term, so the rest of the amount which is left out of the payout, out of the basic sum assured, nominee will receive that amount and policy will terminate. So let me explain again with the example. Let's say this 1 CR is the basic sum assured. How would we calculate it? So if we calculate 0.1% of 1 CR, that will be 10,000. So customer will start receiving this 10,000 monthly income once he attain the age of 60 years. And he will keep receiving it until if there is death during the policy term. So let's say if after 20 years customer is dying, so what we will do? So we will deduct the payouts which customer has already received, and rest of the money will go to the nominee. So in this example, 24 lakhs customer has already taken as a payout, and the rest of the amount 76 lakh will be given to the nominee and policy will terminate then and there. So I hope it is clear now.
It is clear.
Okay. Yeah, now so talking about, so same way we have option in life, life protect option to go for fixed variant or go for whole life. Same way in income plus also we have option to offer the fixed variant to the customer or whole life option. So when we are talking about fixed variant or fixed term, so we can offer 4 options to the customer. Customer can take the cover till age of 70, 75, 80, 85. So these are the 4 options which customer can go for, or customer can go for whole life also under this option. Now talking about PPT, which we are offering to the customer, or customer can opt out of the options. So that is single premium. So regular premium is PPT is not available. Limited PPT is available, but again with the 2 options. So customer can either go for 5-year pay or 10-year pay. or customer can go for single pay also.
Team, if you have any question, keep it for the end, okay? We will explain and don't raise hands. Thank you. Continue, Sunny.
Thank you. Okay, so these are the three options, and currently two options are active, which is Life Protect and Income Plus. Now talking about eligibility of these options, talking about age criteria. So life and critical illness rebalance and Life Protect fixed term. So we can offer from 18 to 65 years of age customer. But if we are offering whole life option in Life Protect, so the entry age would be 45 years and the maximum entry age can be 65 years. Under Income Plus option, if we are giving fixed term to the customer, then entry age would be 30 to 50 years. If we are giving whole life option to the customer, then the entry age would be 45 years. Now, maximum entry age will be decided on basis of the PPT which customer has selected. So if customer is paying premium for 10 years, then we can offer till age of 50 years. If customer has selected single pay or 5 pay, then it can be offered to the age of 55 years customer also. So if we understand in simple way, fixed term 30 to 50 years and whole life 45 to 55 years, depending on the PPT. Now, if I talk about the coverage, so life and critical illness rebalance, the maximum age or maximum cover which customer can take, that is of age 75 years. In Life Protect, if he is going for whole life, that is whole life. If he is going for fixed term, then the cover which he can get, that is of till age 85 years. Same way, talking about Income Plus, in fixed term, the maximum cover which he can go for, that is of age 85 years, and whole life will offer whole life cover. So this is the capping. Now keeping this in mind, the maximum policy term which we can offer. So the maximum policy term which we can offer in life and critical illness rebalance, that is 30 years. So let me explain with the example. Let's say if customer is of 20 years and if customer is looking for cover till age of 75 years, it won't be possible. Why is it so? Because the criteria is 30 years. So we will be able to provide him the cover till age of 50 years because of this capping. Now, same way, if we talk about policy term, maximum policy term which we are offering in Income Plus, that is 40 years in fixed term. So let's say if we are giving this option to a customer whose age is 30 years, so the cover which he will get, maximum cover which he can get, that is of 70 age. So PPT, I have already explained. So talking about Life Protect fixed term and life and critical illness rebalance, all the options are available. Whole life, we are offering, we are giving limited pay in Life Protect, which is 5, 10, 15. Income Plus, we are offering, we are giving option of single pay or limited pay, we are giving 5 or 10. Talking about minimum sum assured, that will be 50 lakhs. So this is the eligibility criteria of this plan, from entry age to policy term to PPT. So now let's talk about, other than these three options, we are offering some of the add-on option also, which can be linked to these three options. So add-on options which we are offering. So first one is return of premium. So customer can take this option. Extra premium will be charged on this option, and customer, the benefit which customer will get, if customer will survive till the maturity of the policy, customer will receive all the premiums which he paid during the policy. The other option which can be added to these three options, that is waiver of premium on critical illness. So what does it mean? What is the benefit this option will give? If customer is suffering from critical illness, he is diagnosed with that critical illness, or rest of the premium will be waived off if customer has opted for this add-on option. Now, other option which customer can add, that is accidental death benefit. So accidental death benefit is if customer is dying due to accident. So what we are saying, customer will receive the additional sum assured, which can be equivalent to the basic sum assured of 100%. So for example, if customer's basic sum assured is 1 CR and customer has opted for this accidental death benefit and customer is dying due to accident, so the maximum benefit which he can get under this option, that is 1 CR basic sum assured and plus 1 CR of accidental death benefit. If he has availed this option, that would be 2 CR. Now, other than that, very unique feature which we are giving to the customer, or I would say flexibility which this plan will offer, that is if customer is paying premium on regular basis and on later stage he wants to change it to limited premium paying option. So that option is available and that is without any fee or cost. Same way, other flexibility which we are giving to the customer, that is earlier it was there, but the point which was there that he had this option to change the premium payment frequency whenever there is policy anniversary. But now what we are saying, he can avail this option anytime during the premium paying term, and that is also again free of cost. Now let's see these add-on option can be added to which all options. So we have 3 options and right now 2 options are active, Life Protect and Income Plus. So talking about these add-on options, if you see, these options can be added to fixed term under Life Protect options. So it is not available with whole life option. It is not available with Income Plus option. And the first option is not active yet. But yes, if it will be active, then ROP can be added to this option, life and critical illness rebalance, and premium payment frequency also can be added to this option. Talking about other 2 option, accidental death benefit option, that can't be included with this option, and waiver of premium critical illness option, that is already inbuilt, so that is why it is not applicable with this. Now let's talk about riders. So we have 3 riders. Those are still there. So let's understand what all riders can be attached to which option. So talking about income benefit on accidental disability rider, it can be attached to all 3 options: Life Protect, Income Plus, Life and Critical Illness Rebalance. So what is the benefit this rider will give to the customer? If there is a disability, total permanent disability due to accident, so customer will get 1% of rider sum assured for next 10 years. So this is the benefit which this rider will give. Talking about second rider option which we have, that is critical illness plus rider. So this can be availed with the Life Protect and Income Plus. It is not applicable to life and critical illness rebalance. Why is it so? Because it is already inbuilt. And the cover which we give in critical illness plus rider, that is we are covering 19 critical illness. Talking about third rider, Protect Plus rider. So this can be linked to Income Plus option, and this can cancer cover can be linked to Life Protect option, but other 2 option of Protect Plus rider can't be added with the Life Protect option. And talking about life and critical rebalance, the first 2 option, which is accidental cover, can be added to it, but cancer cover, because it is already inbuilt, so it can't be added. Okay, so yeah, so talking about comparison part, premium comparison part. So this is the comparison with the iPro. So green is like, where we will be cheaper with the iPro, the premium charges will be on lesser side. So if you see on regular pay, limited pay, or different age criteria, you would say the premium which we are of charging, that will be lesser, on lesser side. And let me quickly show you the coverage which we will be providing in critical illness. So we will be covering 36 critical illness, and the list of those illness is there. Okay, so this is what this plan will look like, or this plan is the features, eligibility criteria. So now let's start with the Q&A questions.
Team, you can put your questions on the chat box. We'll address one by one. Any questions, team? One minute. Terminal illness feature. There, Rajni's asked one question. And
Okay.
Siddharth also.
Okay. No, so that option is not available now.
Which was there in
Yes, C2P 3D plus,
right?
it was there, but now that option is not available.
Right. Siddharth, we'll share you the recording link. Okay. What's the income criteria for?
So that is the same. There is no change in other things like income criteria. What was there for C2P 3D plus and C2P plus? So that is the same. There is no change.
So minimum has to be 5 lakhs, right? Income.
Correct.
And Vaibhav, documents will be the same, right?
The documentation would also be the same. They would all be the same.
What is the premium for 1 CR and will differ for all 3 plans? Daneshwar, I will share you the link. You can calculate and get the difference of premiums. Okay. For all 3 plans. And for the first plan, critical is still not working, right? Sunny and
Correct. So yes, please make.
So I will share the link. Just now we have a redirection link for this, wherein you guys can prepare the quote. It is the same way how we used to do for Click to Protect 3D. Okay.
Trupti,
And it will, in a week's time, it will come in a landing page also. Right, Vaibhav?
Yeah. It would in a week's time. It would be on the landing page as well. And if we have time here, so we can just
okay, show
out 5
one.
minutes and show
We
you
have time.
how the code can be calculated.
Yeah. Please
Before
do that.
I guess there is one question from Rajni sir.
Yeah.
That is pay till 60 option available.
Pay till
That is
60
regular.
option as in so are we referring
Limited
to
pay.
age?
No, limited pay option where the customer would pay till 60 years of his age.
Yes, so that option is available, but depending on the option which customer is taking. So if customer is taking income plus, so what we are saying, limited PPT. But if customer is going for life protect option, then and fixed term, yes, he can pay till age of 60.
So just to answer that question, for life protect option, in which is the basic plan, right? This option is available, and we have limited pay PPTs available from 5 years till policy term minus 1 year. So if you are opting for 85, any limited pay between 5 years till 84 years can be opted for.
No, actually his question was pay till 60.
The pay till 60 would be there. It is available. So if you see over here, 5 to any PPT less than PT, that is available. In the Life Protect fixed term, 5 to any PPT less than PT. So the customer can decide if they want to pay till 60, they want to pay till 65, they want to pay till 55. All the options would be available to the customer.
Yes, this table shows. Rajni, hope the question is answered.
Yeah.
Okay, Weber, let's do the one.
Sure. Trupti, yeah. Trupti, you would have to give me the screen sharing access.
I've given everybody, I think, all the panelists. 1 second.
I'll have to just check.
Okay, let me stop sharing my screen then.
No, all. I've given all.
Okay.
Yeah, I am just sharing my screen. Yeah.
So you're going to take that redirection link just now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll just go through the redirection link.
Yeah. And meanwhile, I'll mail them also that link.
So team, this is the redirection link for Prabhudas Leeladhar. It would also be live on the landing page in a week's time, right? Till that time, you can source the policies using this link, right? So over here, you just need to enter the basic details of the customer. I'll just enter my details over here. Another thing which has been added over here is that if are you an existing customer of HDFC Life or not, right? If you are an existing customer, there is an additional discount which would be given to the customer. So when that functionality is there, right now I'm selecting no. If your customer is an existing customer and it is not necessary that they should be a term customer or a Sanchay customer, any customer which is there, right? Any existing customer, if he has bought a ULIP, if he has bought any other plan from HDFC Life, he would still be considered as an existing customer, and he can avail the discount.
So it will come automatically when you say yes, right?
Yeah. So when you say yes, at the backend there would be a validation which would be done that if you are actually an existing customer or not, right? And basis that we'll share it. The premium would come with a discount.
So for few days, you guys have to write all these, give a quote. Later on, when it comes into the landing page, it will be generating codes.
Right. It would come on the landing page, also in the OPS calculator. The calculator
Right.
link
That's what OPS calculator only was trying to say.
Yeah. Okay. So if you see over here, right, there is a basic cover. There is a plan option which is available, which is life cover only. I can select that plan, right? I can choose the number of years I want to be insured for. I have selected maximum, which is 58, right? How would you like to pay your insurance cover? You can pay for the complete duration, right? You can have a single pay all at once, or you can pay for a lesser duration. Okay. Now, if I decide I want to pay for a lesser duration, right? I am right now 27. I want to pay till the age of 60. So I just write 33 over here, right?
So
and I can proceed.
Your query is also answered. Right, Vaibhav?
Yes.
And Dhaneshwar, you also check how we are doing it. Others also have to check.
Yeah. You can select the payment frequency. I'll just go for annually, right? And here it goes show plan options. Okay, I can see the plan option over here. If I want waiver of premium, I can just click over here, and waiver of premium would be added to my plan. So I'll just add waiver of premium. I'll select this plan, right? I can go ahead. Now I can select the riders if I want to add any riders, right? I can add the riders over here.
Vaibhav,
Yeah.
just go back and show the difference between a waiver of premium
Okay.
and also just when you are calculating, show the difference between a normal premium and an ROP.
Yeah.
Sure.
Return of premium. Subrata is right.
Yes, I'll do that.
I've already given 3 quotes.
Okay. So if we see over here, without the waiver of premium, it is 18,700, right? If I select waiver of premium, it is 19,400, right?
So 733 is extra every year.
Right,
That
733
is
would be
important,
extra.
no?
Yes, and if you look at the value which you're getting out of that 733 rupees, right? It is enormous. That because during the PPT at any given point of time, if I am diagnosed with any of the critical illnesses, I don't have to pay any future premium. So that would make a huge difference over here. I'll
Yeah,
just
this
change
doesn't
my age
edit.
over here. Yeah. So there is an added option also over here, right? So I'll just change my age over here, and I can view more plan options, right? So there is also an income plus plan option which comes in.
Vaibhav, you've changed the age, no? What happens to that critical illness? How much it goes from 733 to? Just check that.
Yeah.
62.
Okay, so this is
No,
monthly.
no, no, no. No,
This is monthly.
select. You have to select, then only it will show.
Yeah, I'll just go back and calculate again.
Yeah, you'll have to go back and do it. I was doing it, it was not happening.
Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so I've taken my age as 30.
It is cheaper than the other three, but I'm.
Above 45 it is cheaper.
Mm.
Below 45 it is expensive.
I'm 43, 44, 38-year-old. No, life coach. Wait.
These plans are better than the earlier.
3D was better, but I like 3D.
I'll just copy the link again. Just give me a second.
Yeah,
put
because you have
primary nominee name.
no, that's not compulsory to put.
Yeah, that's optional.
That's optional. The thing is that you have to go back. It doesn't happen in that same link. That is why the ops calculator will be easy for us.
So I'll just take my age as 30, or I'll just keep it at 45. So you can also see the other option which is there, the whole life option. Right. So now over here, if you see, I have two plan options, which is one is life cover only, the basic plan option, right? I also have life cover plus regular income. So both the plan options are available for me, right? Now I can also select my whole life option over here, or I can select, or I can opt for a plan option between 25 to 40 years of age, right? That is because I've selected the income plus option. If I'm selecting life cover or life cover only, right? again I'll get the same options. So all the options would be available for me. Now I can select the payout duration I want, right? Let's say I want it for only 15 years. I can do that. I can see my plan. I can see the summary over here, right? And then I can go for to see all the plan options which are there. Okay. Now over here, if you see, for rupees 4,172, right? You get an additional waiver of premium as well. So all these options would be available. You can add the benefits which are there. And you can download your illustration over here. So you can download the illustration and share it with your clients. That's how easy it is. So team, any doubts on
When we
this?
do it in a calculator. Yeah. I think they will, I have already shared the redirection link. If they have the client, they will immediately do it. They're aware how to use HDFC Life links.
Sure. And if there are any queries, you can reach out to me. You can reach out to Mangesh or Trupti or Hussain are also there or also available, right? So you can reach out to any one of us if in case there are any queries.
Team, any more questions? One message has come, I think. Yeah. Okay. Piyush, you can conclude. I think there are no questions.
Great. So thank you all the participants for participating in this webinar, and thank you HDFC Live's team, Subrato, Vaibhav, and the trainer. I think, Vaibhav, it's a great product, and you have shown the practical aspects of how to look at the codes and all those versions, so people can easily visualize different options within the policy. And guys, this is a great product, and in future the prices of the premiums will become more and more costlier, so try to lock maximum protection plans for you as well as your clients. I think with this, if we have any queries, we can always reconnect with the HDFC Life team in a small format of branch level trainings. And I think with this we should conclude. Anything else?
And I've already shared, team, I've already shared the redirection link as well as the presentation. So you can go through it. Yeah. Thank you, Subrato. Thank you, Vaibhav, Sunny, and Piyush.
Thanks,
team.
Trupti. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Trupti. Thank you, team.